entire ecosystems, cities, or even the entire planet. Imagine a digital twin of the Amazon rainforest, updated with real-time data from sensors and satellites. This digital replica allows scientists to study interactions between climate change, deforestation, and biodiversity loss. By simulating different scenarios, researchers can identify effective strategies for conservation and sustainable management.
Section 4. Real-world applications and market growth. The market for AI and environmental sustainability is growing exponentially due to climate change urgency and AI's potential.
Governments, businesses, and research institutions are investing heavily in AI-powered solutions.
Startups and tech giants are developing innovative AI tools for environmental applications.
Companies like Climate AI use machine learning to provide farmers with personalized weather forecasts and crop recommendations.
The global market for AI in environmental management is projected to reach billions, creating economic opportunities and contributing to sustainability.
Section 5. A sustainable future. Balancing AI's potential with environmental responsibility. While AI offers unprecedented opportunities to address environmental challenges, it must align with ethical considerations and environmental responsibility. One concern is the energy consumption of AI itself, often relying on fossil fuel-powered data centers. Developing more energy-efficient AI algorithms and transitioning to renewable energy sources for data centers are crucial steps. Transparency and accountability in AI development ensure these technologies are used responsibly. International cooperation and standardization maximize AI's positive impact on the environment. Sharing data, best practices, and technological advancements across borders is crucial in tackling global challenges like climate change. Initiatives like the AI for Good Global Summit provide a platform for stakeholders to collaborate on AI for social good, including environmental sustainability. By balancing technological advancement with ethical considerations, we can harness AI to create a world where both humanity and nature thrive.